I started with this model I was 36, 25 years ago. So the first person I learned about the model was me. I was the first person because it was for me very interesting to change my mind. And I tried to show my team and the rest of the organization to change always. But maybe for you can be interesting because I remember Rivera Salud is a Harvard Business School case study, and I was invited to the presentation of the case study. And the students, they didn't know I was there in the room. And the idea was during an hour and a half, they were discussing about
the case?
About us, and I was personally part of the case, and they were talking about us. And in one moment, the professor said, well, here is the person, Alberto de Rosa, the person who is in charge of the project. You can ask questions to him. And I don't remember the questions, but I remember 2 questions. So for me, it was really interesting because it was maybe 10 or 12 years ago. The first question is, in the opinion of the students, this is a case of how professionals and human resources must adapt their thoughts to a new model. So it's a cultural change case, and it was a surprise even to me. And the second idea, they asked me why a private company is interested in this kind of models if the profitability is very low. And it was very interesting to ask that question because I said, well, it's very low, but we have long-term contracts. And maybe you need companies with long-term vision. Instead, companies with the private companies that they are more interested in short-term and profitability in the short term. I think this model requires companies with this long-term vision.
So you have a contract with the government for 10 years?
No, in the region of Valencia for 20 years and in the region of Madrid for 30 years. So it's interesting. Our profitability is low, but we have long-term contracts. And I think it's interesting even for the government because with this kind of long-term contracts, your mentality is to get the best health conditions for the citizens in the long term. So the word that for me is more important is to align the objectives from the government with the private company. And I think the capitation is a good point to align the objectives. What is the objective of a government? To get the best health condition for the citizens. What is the objective, the main objective for a private company? To achieve the best results. Well, if you get with a private company vision, if you get the best health condition for the citizens in a capitative model, is the best for the private too. So if you get nobody goes to the hospital because everybody is really healthy, is the best situation for the private. So I think the capitative payment is one of the key elements for the success of the model.